about to turn it up. Turn it. We about to turn it up. Turn it. We about to turn it up. 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 We about to turn it up. We about to turn it up.
A black box. Get it off. Nice and sleek black box. This is tricky. Okay. Wow. So that's the loop one. I did not get the band one because I already have the band. So this loop one is new. Needed this. Here is the watch. Let's see the watch quickly. Here is the watch. It's the 44 inside a small leather bag. Neat. Absolutely neat. What else do we have? Some paperwork, setup guide, the charging cable, the charger, and for the band, Apple Watch Nike, paperwork, and the band itself. Alright. So that's pretty much it. Simple as it is. Watch inside a small leather bag, charging cable, charging adapter, and the loop. Yeah, that's all. And connecting it to the, since I wear my watch on the right hand side, let's just connect it. Okay, it's connected. Okay, so setup iPhone, Apple Watch, English, United States. Open the Apple Watch app. Okay, Apple Watch app. Use your iPhone to set up the Apple Watch. Continue. Put your Apple Watch, hold it up to the camera. Okay. Your Apple Watch is paired. Restore from backup. This is my currently paired 42 Watch 2. Restore from backup. Yes. So this should do it. Connecting your Apple Watch. This may take a moment. Setting language. So backup restore is going to take some time. So that's it. Share settings. Okay. Apple Watch passcode. Okay. Create a passcode. Okay. Passcode is connected. Are you running today? Download the app. Nike Run Club app is downloaded. And yeah, continue. Apple Watch is syncing. Your Apple Watch is all